Okay, guys, today I want to talk about how to grow your career in tech. So, here are the steps that you can take to grow your career in tech. Step number one is that you need to listen to tech related podcasts. There are plenty of podcasts online that you can listen to that can teach you a lot, especially when it comes to the tech industry. There are podcasts like David Bombal. That's one of the podcasts that you can listen to. Network Chuck, especially if you want to do network related stuff or cybersecurity, go to Network Chuck. David Bombal is also very good when it comes to network related stuff if you want to become like a network engineer. And then at number two, you need to start reading books. If you don't want to read or if you're lazy to read books, you can listen to audiobooks. Audiobooks will give you the same information that's in the physical books. You can do this while you're driving. You can listen to audiobooks while you are in the gym working out or while you're in the house doing some other errands. This will give you a lot of information that will be helpful to you in regards to your career. At number three, you can join mentorship programs. Why do I suggest joining mentorship programs? Because you are learning from someone who's already in the industry. So you get the insider information, and this will help you a lot because you'll be saving time and money. Why do I say that? You can learn from someone who's already done it. You don't have to go through those mistakes. You can learn from someone's mistakes. Joining the mentorship program, I do have a mentorship program for those of you that are interested. Click on the link on the description of this video. So number four, you need to attend tech events. Why do I say this? This will help you because you can meet colleagues who are in this industry. You can network and you can make friends. You can also meet people who are just like you, who are trying to get into the industry and who are trying to connect with other like-minded people. So this will grow your networking and it will help you a lot in terms of meeting or making connections that might help you later on in life. At number five, you need to learn communication skills. I know this one is not easy, especially for a lot of us who are in the tech field. We just want to work with technical stuff and we don't really want to be in front of people speaking or talking, but we have to learn this skill. This skill is very important, guys, because we need to know how to articulate all these technical things that we're doing. Business is not just about technical or infrastructure. Business is about communication, sales, marketing. Management needs to know exactly what is happening when it comes to their IT infrastructure, IT systems and operations. And for them to know what's going on, it's going to require that we communicate with them. So we need to learn, us as IT people, we need to learn how to communicate. This skill will help you during interviews. It will help you during networking skills. This is a skill that you can use outside of your career, basically. You can just use it in daily life. At number six, you need to get certified. Why? Certifications will help you. They will make your CV look good. They'll give you credibility. So you need to get certified. You'll get a lot of knowledge. And then once you get certifications, the next step, which is number 7, you need to do practical labs at home. You need to practice with home labs. Once you get the certifications, you'll have a lot of knowledge when it comes to like theory, but you need to put all of that knowledge into practice. That's where the practical labs come in. You need to do a lot of practice. This will give you the hands-on experience that you require for you to get a job. So when you go for interviews, even if you've never worked in IT, you will speak about the Hope Labs that you did. You will talk about all the projects and the systems that you worked on during the Home Labs. So the hiring managers will be very impressed, they will like this part of the interview where you'll be able to talk about all your practical projects that you've done at home. This will show them that you don't just have the theory, but you also have practiced, you've put this knowledge into practice. So this will put you in a better position when you're applying for jobs. So those are the steps that I would recommend that you take if you want to grow your career in the tech field. So don't forget, subscribe guys, and for now I will see you guys in the next video.